and and the duration for suspension can be around 10 days. Can be around 10 days.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat this line?
Yeah. The duration of suspension can be around 10 days. 10 can be around 10 days. And it can be extended. And it can be extended if if certifying authority if certifying authority thinks fit if certifying authority thinks fit fit. And it is to be noted that any person whose license is suspended cannot use electronic signature during suspension time during suspension time. After inquiry is processed and complete after inquiry is processed and complete. Again, the authority can use again the authority can use the license.
So please repeat this line.
Yeah. After okay, from which part you want?
So after inquiry.
After inquiry is complete and processed. After inquiry is complete and processed, the party or authority can use the license. Means what? Can you tell me? Means whether it is license is getting permanently cancelled.
No, sir.
Then for how many days? On an average. Again, I'm using the word on an average,
So
not
around 10
necessary.
So
days.
10 days.
Yeah, absolutely. Around 10 days, the license can be cancelled. Why can be cancelled? Maybe you're not submitted the test proofs. Maybe you're not paid the fees. Maybe they ask you to do something you're not done. Means you're not given them whatever the data they want. It can be absolutely anything. Now, when you talk about this, the certifying authority, who is the main person who can grant the digital signature, who can cancel digital signature, he will give you the chance. That is called as show cause notice. So, what is show cause notice? He will say what are the grounds on which what happened, um, whether it is done intentionally. If the party says it is not done intentionally, they give the proof. Yes, just see this. We are not done intentionally, and all those things. Then again he can give some another time. Okay, he'll say okay, we'll give another 2 days, 3 days, whatever the things are there. Okay, but it is very important during that time also. Those parties or the parties who suffer, they ask you or they ask that certificate also, we can use the teacher signature. Absolutely not allowed unless until everything is completed. So everything is get processed. Okay. So everything, what are the reasons? Not done intentionally, it is done by mistake, whatever it can be, it is can be done by ignorance, whatever the number of things, that are different kind of material over there. So still they will wait and watch, they will process all the things, and once everything is processed, then only it is allowed to go ahead. Okay, and the certificate matter says okay, this case is completed. There is no cheating, there is no malpractices over there. Then and then only you can go ahead. Understood? Getting it? Is everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just go to this. Whatever we are done. Yeah, I have any doubts, ask me. We'll go for the next part. Is anyone any doubt? Any logic over here? Very typical word. Yes, anyone? Shall we go ahead? Yes, shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Section 26 talks about notice. Section 26 talks about notice of suspension or revocation. Section 26 talks about notice of suspension or revocation.
So suspension or
Revocation. Suspension or revocation. Suspension or revocation. Suspension or revocation of license. Where certifying authority can make can make oblique publish a notice can make oblique publish a notice
So can you please repeat this line?
yeah the certifying authority can make oblique publish a notice in their own database in their own database whereby the various the various stakeholders the various stakeholders or interested parties or interested parties or interested parties can check all these details. Stakeholders or interested parties can check all these details on the website on the website as they will be available as they will be available public accessible available public accessible around the clock around the clock. This may include this may include another medias as well. This may include other medias as well. What are other medias they're talking? Anyone? Yes, can be other medias. Or you can just tell me the what is the overall thought process of this section. Anyone? It's very easy actually, but the importance is extremely high. Anyone? Wilford? Anyone wish to try? Darren, Satvik, Kshitish, anyone? Shruti, what they're talking what? They're talking that your license is being cancelled or revoked. Suspended means it can be suspended for 5 days, 10 days, and all that. Okay. And when you talk about revocation, it is permanently cancelled. Okay. Now, when you talk about this, certifying authority says it can be get published. Okay. Why they want to publish? I mean, firstly they will put in their database, in their software, in their Excel sheet or whatever. They will put your company's name and they will say this is suspended. That's okay. It's there for their records, and they can cross check how many times it has done. These people have not complained every time, and every time I have to cancel, and every time I have to renew it and all that. So they can give the last warning, something like that. So that is fine, you are doing at your end. But why they saying a public notice? Means publishing.
So that other companies also know that this person's license has been revoked or suspended and to not make any transactions with them.
Hmm?
So was I audible?
Yeah, tell me.
So I was saying that they publish which company has been suspended or the license has been suspended, so that other companies who might be maybe making a
Hmm, hmm,
transaction also know the
hmm,
company which
hmm.
they are doing the transaction with is suspended or not.
Absolutely, absolutely correct. Means if any other party who is absolutely ignorant, this is the normal, just coming into the electronic age, and they are doing something, and this guy said, okay, we'll give the electronic signature and all that. Then certifying authority says, you check these people who are we suspended. Okay, just all of a public notice is given in the newspapers that this company has become insolvent, this person is insolvent now, or a particular person say talk about that he is a criminal and all those things, or it can be anything. Okay, or newspaper says this ABC person was an employee, but he's no more employee, he's showing that he's an employee and all that. Okay, so these are the things are there. Absolutely correct, because then ignorance of law is no excuse. If something fraud happens to you because you are ignorant of that, then it can be a issue for you and no one can help out there. Getting it?
Sir, what is meant by other medias?
Yeah, absolutely correct. The media is on their website, on their not only their website, it can be the published media as well, on a different kind of website, correlated website of the government, because the central certifying authority don't have the only the one website. As a data signature, so many state level, national level, international level, their website will be there. It can be published over there. It can be they have their own blogs. They can have their own Twitter accounts. They can have their own Facebook account. There also they can publish every day at the end of the month or at the end of a given period, whatever it may be. They can publish in that also. So these are called just like a different kind of internet related handles, and the Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and whatever. So means they can publish everywhere whatever they think fit and which is under their legal area. Okay, legally they can't give that access to the any kind of people, but people means they can't share with you and me, just emailing us or sharing the Excel sheet with us. But it's very important that what they can do is yes, they can make sure that it is get published everywhere in their own ways, in their own periphery, we can say. And then it is becomes your responsibility when you are wish to enter into transaction with these guys. You should go through those websites and all getting it, because then something happens to you, they say we are not responsible, because again ignorance of law is no excuse. Yes, anyone any doubt? Yes, anyone?
So, sir, when in the last line where we say other medias, does it only talk about other websites of the government?
Their handles, their own personal
Oh,
handles.
okay.
Yes, anyone? And even they can publish in the newspaper as well if the matter is very serious. That is called as other than electronic media as well. That is their logic of the thought process. Yes,
Okay, sir.
anyone? Yeah, yeah. Anyone any doubt? Okay, fine. So we'll have a break of 5 minutes now. Everyone? Yes? Yes, Shruti Whitford. We'll have a break, 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We continue now. Start now.
Yes,
Next
sir.
part. Madam, section 27 talks about section 27 talks about powers to delegate. Powers to delegate. Means the certifying authority or controller, certifying authority or controller may in writing may in writing can give authority in writing can give authority to deputy controller to deputy controller assistant controller or any such officer if he thinks fit and it is to be noted that it is for specific time only. For specific time only. Simple logic is might be the controller or the certifying authority is going for some important work, is making unavailable due to some whatever the personal reasons or official reasons and all those things. Then sometimes whatever who will take care. So in the writing, obviously he can for temporary purpose, okay. So or what is the word we say is for the deputy, for temporary purpose or on deputy, he can ask the authorities under him. Basically under the certifying authority you have deputy controller, then below that you have assistant controller, below that you have officer. So whatever the people which are working under him in the any hierarchy, basically, okay, he can give the authority. Absolutely it should be in writing. If it is not writing, then not. Understood everyone? Any doubt? Yes, anyone has any doubt? Ask me.
No, sir.
Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Section 28 talks about power of investigation. Write down. Under this section, the controller, under this section, the controller, or under this section, the controller, or any officers under him, can take up investigation, can take up investigation under any act, under any act, by adhering with those act, by adhering with those act, and assist, and assist other legal authorities, and assist other legal authorities like income tax authorities, like income tax authorities, GST authorities, GST authorities, etc., with specific limitations, etc., with specific limitations which are laid down, specific limitations which are laid in AID, laid down. Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of this? This is very important and interesting. I will explain only, but anyone wish to try. Yes, at least try anyway. This talks about the horizon, means the scope of the horizon of the youth authority is well versed. It is more than just the under ITI. So what is this? Anyone? Before can we?
Sir, sir, I guess it's like under the controller, if there is like, let's say, a certain company which is not working properly or it is doing something shady, like
Mm-hmm.
investigation about
Mm-hmm.
that can be
Mm-hmm.
done by like a certain officer under the controller,
Mm-hmm.
and they will be given some certain limitation that you can only go this far, or like, you can only have this much power, and they
Mm-hmm.
have to work under some certain acts and authorities of themselves.
No, but I am asking like under which act, means any contravention under which act, that is very important. Which act? Means under the Information Technology Act only you can take care of, or you have a authority or your peripheries just limited to that only? Understood what I'm asking?
Yeah, sir, I got it. Yeah.
That is the most important.
Sir, I guess under the IT Act itself.
Okay. Anyone wish to try? Yes, at least try, anyone? Shruti?
So no clue. I don't seem to understand.
Okay. I'll give. See, basically, when you are talking about information technology, it is applicable now everywhere. You file online GST return, income tax return. So many things you do online. And when you do it, there are digital signature and all those things, obviously. So, in number of things are there. So, might be there can be some frauds. There can be from other organization, not you. So, under even when you file something under income tax, under GST or whatever the acts are there, and there is some mismatch or leading activities or unfortunate activities, then certain authority can go and check, and they can assist income tax department, GST department, or they will help you to via income tax department or GST department or any other department. Understood? Yes, everyone understood.
Yes, sir.
Anyone any doubt? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So could you just repeat your last point? Your voice was breaking a bit.
Okay, okay, tell me now. Means what you are not understood. Tell me.
Just the last point. I couldn't hear you properly.
Means
That's all.
up to what you are understood. Tell me. Means you heard up to what point, then I can go ahead.
Just the last few like seconds, sir. That's all.
No, I'm asking like what example you have heard, then I can just explain after that. What is the last line you heard proper?
Before you asked, you understood.
Okay, I'll tell you the whole thing. Basically, this act talks about the certifying authority or any other officers, a group of officers, you can say the certifying authority, deputy controller, the officer. You talk about any hierarchy. These guys can help the other department. They can help income tax department. They can help GST department. They can help any other department under different laws. How they can help, because nowadays the income tax return, GST return, renewal of your driving license, some most of the things nowadays we do online, and some any kind of fraud misleading activities, it can be intentional, unintentional, or we are not doing any unofficial, the other party is not doing unofficial, but the third party comes, and some piracy is there or hackers are there, so these departments can help us, these experts of information technology people, to help them or to help you, or a combination, and then whatever the area they have been defined by the income tax authorities, GST authorities, that you can just concentrate on that. Don't ask us, what is this amount, what is this tax, and how they are paid and all that. We are just ask you how it is, money is there, money is paid, just check it and everything is fine, it's okay, no issues, it's like that. So online accessibility will be given.
So if I take an example, sir, of Arogya Setu app, for that
Mm-hmm.
matter,
Mm-hmm.
and recently it was found out that that app has a lot of vulnerabilities where this hacker from some other country tried to find those vulnerabilities and
Mm-hmm.
said that all that personal information could be, like stolen very easily or quickly. So
Mm-hmm.
in case, since this is not an official, how should I say, update on
Mm-hmm.
the like
So, but then, yeah, yeah. But then, what happens? The people who have developed the app or the people who have support, they have to lodge the complaint. Then only these guys can help.
But if someone from the outside who has already infiltrated, or like a white hat hacker has already stated that these are the vulnerabilities, or these are the things that are there in your app, and if will that not be considered at all?
It will be only considered if the income tax department or those people request these experts to look into that. They can't just go there, they see something is there under something is vulnerable, they just can't go there and start doing that their activity. They should get a permission to enter into it.
So a
Understood?
hierarchy needs to be followed.
Absolutely.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely.
Understood.
Yeah. Yes, anyone, any doubts? No, fine. Move to the next one. Item section 29 of Information Technology Act. Section 29 of Information Technology Act talks about the authority of controller, the authority of controller, the authority of controller, where he can, where he can make intervention, where he can make intervention if he thinks a particular activity, if he thinks a particular activity is a particular activity is performed, performed, which is against law, which is against law, and for the same computer system is used, computer system is used, or it will create, or it will create issues in public, or it will create issues in public, and will check technical viability of the same, and can check technical viability of the same, and can check technical viability of the same. It is simple logic that if any person writes anything, shares anything, it will have a very bad effect on the integrity of, or it creates, or it leads some misleading facts, procedures, or practices. Okay, that is especially under section 69. Then in relation to section 69, the section 29 says, okay, if we found a person is doing something, it will making at national level or state level or at the city level some misleading information, it will hamper the public awareness, it will create sort of frightenness, or it will create some grievances, or it will create something like that in the public at large. And then they can check that online system, the network, the computers which use, the data which is used, the links which are used, and they can take the action. Understood? And for that, obviously, they will check some reasonability of the technical thing and all that. Getting it, everyone? Yes, everyone. Understood? Or you have any doubt in this? Yes, anyone, any doubt? Shall we go ahead? Yes, Kshitij, any doubt? Shruti, Wilford, Oren,
No, sir,
No,
not for the
no
time
doubt,
being.
sir.
and then I'll just take attendance. Okay. Just go through the what we're doing today every week. Have any doubts? Still ask me and go for attendance. Okay, I don't think so there is doubt. So we'll start with the attendance. We'll start with division A. Yes. Aditya Sharma, absent. Okay. Adarsh Kumar Singh,
Aditya Sharma present.
Aditya Dhar, and Aditya Pratap Singh, In Akash,
Present, sir. We are in 6.
all these Akash are present. Then Ali Asgar, absent.
So, PRM 9.
Yeah, present one. Yeah, Akshay. 11 absent. Okay. Then 15 Anamol Jain, absent. Anuj absent. Atul 18 absent. Then Chirag 23, 28 Devansh, 37 Himesh, 40 Jatin.
38 present, sir.
Yeah, 38 present only. 40 Jatin absent. 41
Sir,
Kanish.
28
Present, sir.
present, sir.
41.
Devansh present. Yeah. Then
So
28
41
present.
present.
yeah, 41 present. 44 is present. Then 48 absent. 51 absent. 52
Yes, sir,
absent.
52.
Okay.
Sir, present 52.
Okay. 53 and 54 absent. 56
56 present, sir.
9 61 absent. 64 absent. 69
Present, sir.
70 absent. 21 absent.
71 present, sir.
72 23
73 present, sir.
74 75
75 present,
76
sir.
okay
76.
76 yeah 76
So 73 present.
hmm. 77
Sir,
Present,
yeah
present, sir.
sir,
77.
19 also present. I couldn't open my mic.
19
Yes, sir, 1919.
but 19 is not there in division A.
Oh, okay, sir.
Wait for division other division. 78
Present,
78
sir.
yeah 80 81 okay 81 oh and 84 85 84 85 87
87 present, sir.
89 91
91 present, sir. 91.
92 95
95 present, sir.
96 97 98
So 98 present.
100
100%, sir.
103 104 105 107 108
So 108 present.
oh and 109
Excuse me, sir.
yeah tell me first
Sir, did you mark 77?
yeah.
Sir, did you mark 28?
Don't ask everyone. At that time I asked all these are present only those who said present. Chirag, that time you are not given any answer.
Uh, Sir, this is Devansh, 28.
Devansh, you are there only. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And so 90, and so 91 as well. Have you marked?
Yeah, Umang, yeah. Okay, so this ends division A. Division A people, you wish to leave, you can leave, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, division A people, you can leave. Thank you very much. Then we'll start with division B now. Akash Goel is there. Akash Monga is there. Akash Seth, Akshita Sharma,
Present, sir.
Amang, Amisha,
Present, sir. Sir, PRN 12 present.
Kushagra, Arpit, Avi,
Arpit present.
Sir,
Avi,
are we also present?
no,
Present, sir.
Tanmay, absent. Om, absent. Aaron is present. Then
Present, sir.
Deepa, Deepa absent. Ritika Deshpande,
Present, sir.
then Suresh Devaraj,
Yes, sir, present.
and Dheeraj Kumar Sethi,
Sir, present.
Disha Chaudhary, and Gupta Vaibhav,
Yes, sir, present.
and Harshit Kaur,
Present, sir.
Himang Yadav,
Present, sir.
then Jannavi Mishra,
Present. Present, sir.
Kartikeya, 43, then Vaibhav, 45, Kumar Ashwin, absent, Muhammad Altaf, 55, absent, 55, Nishkan Wadhwa, absent, Palakjit Kaur,
Present, sir.
Sir, 53 present.
then 58, Pallavi,
Present, sir.
and 63, Prabhat,
Yes, sir.
and 65, Pratyaksh,
Present, sir. 65.
Rachel, 66.
Present, sir.
What happened? Nikhil, 53. 53 was in another division, Nikhil. Then 67,
Present, sir. 67.
58, Rahul,
Yes, sir.
Shubhavi, 79. Oran is present, then Shivats is present. 86, 86.
86 present.
Tejal, 90.
Present, sir. 90.
Varun, 91. Sorry, Varun, 93. Yash and Anirudh Roy.
Sir, PRN 13.
1-3, na?
Yes, sir.
Present. Amisha present.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please check out 53?
53, you're given that time, so
53.
don't worry. Yeah, 53, don't worry. You're given that time, no attendance, so don't worry. If you're given that time, that's fine.
So, have you marked 55, sir?
You're given attendance.
Sir, actually, I wasn't able to join. There was some technical issue. I didn't have a screenshot.
79 is present only. Don't worry. 74 and 26. 74 and 26. Yeah, 26 is 74. 74. What happened to the 74? That time, why not given attendance? 74. And even Nikhil also, that time you are not given attendance. What was the reason?
Sir,
Yeah.
so did you mark 26?
What?
26.
Not getting your voice. You can just write in chat, Deepa. I mark you present, but what happened just tell me. And 53 also, when I taken the attendance, what happened to you?
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, my mic is not working properly,
Okay.
so sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So that's why I typed it in the chat box.
No. Okay. Deepa, what happened? Okay, no problem. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
This is 92, sir. Actually, I had a power cut and I wasn't there for the attendance. I just rejoined.
You are there in the whole lecture.
No, sir. I wasn't there for almost like 15-20 minutes.
But whatever you are done, just can you give me highlights? Means what we are done today, or whatever you have written, heard, whatever. Yes. You can tell at least 3-4 lines. No, what you have learned. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Tell me. Okay, no problem. Varun, next time just join properly. Okay, no issues. Okay, so thank you everyone. Okay, see you all of you in the next lecture. Okay,
Sir,
we'll
please stop
continue.
the recording.
Yeah. What happens? It continues then.
Yes, sir, it continues until the last person leaves. So the other options you can end the meeting for all.
Okay.